I'm honestly ashamed of myself. The Zara sale happened, and of course it's a try-on haul, so a lot of these things I will not be keeping. And also, I don't know how much I'm going to be doing these Zara hauls because, like I said in my last video, by making this video I'm promoting fast fashion and I want to be more conscious and I want to be a more conscious buyer. And if you guys are interested in haul alternatives or an unhaul, let me know. But I made a decision, I made purchases, and here we are. First off are these shoes. I bought them because I had a wedding to go to the next day. They were on sale for 50 bucks, but trying them on I was like, I don't really know if I need shoes like this. I don't really wear heels anymore, and also they're kind of basic, like there's nothing really special about them. They're called Zara Basic. When I looked in the mirror, the straps weren't level, and that really bothered me. So for sure no to these heels. Then this dress. I tried on this dress already. This one was regular price. I really love the big buttons. Do you hear the ice cream truck? It wrinkles quite easily, and this is actually an eco-conscious fabric, which I don't know how much I can trust Zara to be eco-conscious. This is the kind of fabric that could probably pill quite easily. I love the shape that it gives me. I love the length. I love that it has a little bit of a slit. I don't know. It wrinkles very easily. Maybe I won't keep it. I also got another dress. I was only able to get it in a medium. I've been checking back on the website to see if I could find it in my size and exchange it, but so far no luck. The medium fits okay, and it was originally $130, now on sale for 60 bucks. I'm not sure why it's so expensive or a higher priced item for Zara. It is well made. There is a lot of work to it. It's not a silk dress. It has zippers on the side so you can easily take it on or off. The dress is flirty. I think that's the best way to describe it. It has a slit, it has ruffles, it has a great print. I was looking all over Asia for a floral print ruffly dress, and it's very hard to find a floral print that I like. Some of them can be too girly, some of them don't have a low enough cut, and you guys know how much I love those low cut tops, and so I don't know. I think this is a winner. And I got a hoodie. I was hoping for it to be thick. Ooh, and it's super soft inside, but it's not terribly thick. I really wanted an oversized hoodie. Please don't get any makeup on this. Good. Oh no. I love it. It's really cute. Even with the skirt, it looks kind of cute. I'm about it. Or even with wide leg pants. And this piece is just my favorite. It was on sale for $15.99, and I checked and now it's on sale for $9.99. When I tried to buy it for $9.99, it was already sold out. This is my childhood. My sister and I saved up and we got 4 Chupa Chups for $1, and it was just like the biggest deal, us spending our own money. And then back then it was Spice Girls. So Spice Girls would always eat Chupa Chups, or maybe just a regular lollipop, but then the Chupa Chups had Spice Girls printed on it. It was always like a special treat that our mom would never buy for us. So being able to buy a $15 Chupa Chups shirt is a pretty big deal. I feel very privileged. I'm gonna wait and see if it goes on discount or if my size comes up in the $9.99 price, and then buy it and return this one. And then I got a pair of pants. These ones were originally 80 bucks and they were on sale for $35.99. It's a wide leg pair of pants with a turn up cuff. And I got them in this really cool khaki tan camel brown. Oh, they're too big for me. Nope. Nope. Maybe it's because they sit lower in the waist, or they're supposed to, but I would prefer it to be high-waisted. Doesn't look that great on me anyways. This is a blouse that looks like a blazer. Oh, it's cute. It's very business friendly, but would also look really cute with a pair of boyfriend jeans, I feel like. Very cute. It has this lace detail that's built in already on the inside. I mean, it's not too boob Oh, it's pretty boob slippy. But this was on sale for 30 bucks. Originally $45.90. If you're keeping tabs on me, at this point I am not wearing pants. It is getting sweaty. I bought 2 more pairs of shoes. These, oh, okay. They're really pointy. Did not expect them to be this pointy. I really like the kitten heel. Never thought I would say that. They're patent gray heels. Originally $100. They're real leather. Especially with kitten heels, it can be difficult to walk in because the heel is so small. If you don't have a block heel, your ankles tend to wobble a lot. And these ones have a wider base and they're a little easier to walk in, but I'm not 100% convinced because they're so pointy. I'm trying to avoid narrow toes because bunions. Y'all know I'm terrified of bunions. These sandals are like all the rage right now. And I really liked that it has a little bit of a heel and it's not flat. They are really comfy, but I don't think they're for me. I thought I would go outside my comfort zone a little bit. Not that these are that crazy. The straps are no bueno. I bought 1 sweater in 2 different colors. I normally am not the kind of person that buys multiple colors of one thing, but it's a basic. These were already on sale for $35.99 and then I got them on further discount for $25.99. And the cut of sweaters is important to me. It's hard to find sweaters with big balloon sleeves. It could be light enough for the spring and maybe early summer since there are a lot of holes. I love the huge knit collar. The collar is really, really nice. I love the big balloon sleeves. So it looks great rolled down and rolled up. It is quite itchy though. I know it's not the time for chunky knits, but I have a feeling that thicker knits are maybe a little cheaper in the summertime since people aren't into it. And since it went on for the discount, it was easy to buy my size. I also got it in an olive color, which I don't normally get, but the yarn is really interesting because it has a slight mix of a greenish olive as well as a mustardy yellow olive. Ooh, I love it in the olive. You guys tell me, is it worth it to keep both of them if I got both of them for $25.99 each? So in the winter I can layer this very easily, and in the summer or in the spring with the big holes it won't be too hot. And it is acrylic. It's 14% wool and 7% mohair, and for $25.99 to have a little bit of hairiness, natural fibers, I'm pretty okay with that. So that was it. That was my haul. I style all of my outfits with daily outfit of the days on Instagram, and you can catch behind the scenes and first exclusive news and exclusive giveaways on Instagram at Letitia-Q. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more fashion, DIY, girl talks, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!